Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix missing mount option in Windows 10 context menu. For this, I have an Windows 10 ISO file. For example, when I right click on it, and you can see on this properties, this one is ISO file. When I right click on this one ISO file, and I found that mount option is missing on the top. To fix this issue, select it and right-click any ISO file on your Windows 10 PC and then click on this one Open with option and then select here Choose another app option. Under pop-up window, select this one Windows Explorer option in Other Options section and check this one option. Always use this app to open .iso file and then click on this one OK button. From now onwards, when you will select any ISO file and right click on it, you will find that mount option is restored at the top in the context menu. And to mount any ISO file from now onwards, you can just double click on the ISO file and it will be mounted as a CD drive on your Windows 10 PC, and you can open its content by double click on it. And in case you want to unmount virtual CD-ROM, just right click on it and select this one eject option. This will eject ISO file from the virtual CD-ROM on your Windows 10 PC.